everybody. Here's my mailbox minute for today. I don't know. It doesn't feel like a mold. Let's see what it is. It's the right size for mold, but it's not. Ah, this is another teaser. So I ordered a ton of different, what claim to be rose essential oils, and we're going to compare them to Idaho Naturals, which is an authentic, organic Bulgarian rose otto, which I got for my Mother's Day present for Mother's Day. They say 100% pure natural aroma. We'll see. Some of them were very, very expensive and some were very, very cheap. We'll compare the two. Either way, it's rose and we'll be having fun with it. But, and I won't be able to tell you where I got it because a lot of these places don't give me an invoice, so I'm not really sure. But we'll talk about that when the time comes. So this was the mailbox minute, and I'm going to go ahead and open this one up to show you, because what you're looking for, well, we'll give you that all when we get to it. So this, I got it on eBay or I got it on Amazon, I'm not sure which. You can smell it. It's white, it's clear, it smells good. We'll wait for the verdict on that when we do the comparison. Okay, see you next time. Bye for now.